Hey everyone, it's Tammy Lee from Tammy Lee Tips, and we just checked in on the Carnival Panorama. We just got to our room. When you get to your room, your keys will be here on your door, and then you just click yourself in. I already clicked myself in. With these rooms, you do need a key in here to run the air conditioning and electricity, just as a heads up. We have a balcony stateroom on deck 6, and we had the bed put together. You can also have them separated into two twins. We're still in port in Long Beach, so I'll give you a look at the balcony. You can actually see the Queen Mary here. And then we have a nice balcony with two chairs and a table, which I can't wait for. The Carnival Panorama is sailing out of Long Beach right now and doing 7-day Mexican Riviera cruises. The thing we have is some water left in the room. They did leave us a fruit basket and champagne, which is not normally in the room, just as a heads up. You do have your fun times. You also want to make sure you have the Carnival Hub app on your phone. Room service menu. There is a fridge in the room here. And the desk with the hairdryer if you don't want to pack one. On each side of the bed with the nightstands, there's also little cubby holes. And then the light switch up above. The couch, which is comfy. Desk. There is a large panel of closets here. And then shelves right here too. I know a lot of times people worry about storage and what to pack. This actually has a fair amount of room. There's all this. There is an in-room safe. And all of these drawers. And then there's two sets of these closets here with hangers. And this shelf can come down also if you want to have a shelf in here. And then there's all of these bars. And let me show you the bathroom. It's not huge. It is a cruise ship, but it has everything that you need. I like the new shower curtains. Super fun and tropical. There is shampoo and shower gel in the room, so that's something you don't have to pack. Just bring conditioner if that's something that you would like. There's soap, and again, more shelves here and a mirror. Hey everyone. Like I said, this is the Carnival Panorama, and we are currently docked in Long Beach. And follow Tammy Lee Tips and Park Ranger John for a ton more information, not only about the panorama, but all of the ports of call. Hope you all have a great day.